NEP, the new education policy, is implemented in PCCOE from 2023-24 onwards. The Computer Science and Engineering Department offers a multidisciplinary minor in generative AI to the students of civil, computer, electronics and telecommunication and mechanical engineering starting from the third semester itself. Here, the students have the opportunity to learn multidisciplinary subjects under the heading Multidisciplinary Minor (MDM) with 14 credits. Students will earn these credits across 5 semesters, right from 3rd semester to 7th semester. Once the MDM is opted by a student, they will mandatorily learn all courses included for 5 semesters. Generative AI uses computer programs like OpenAI's GPT-4 to create new things like text, images, music, and more. Whether you're in mechanical, electrical, civil engineering, generative AI has something valuable to offer you. Imagine being able to optimize complex mechanical designs, create smarter electrical circuits, plan sustainable cities, all with the power of AI. Generative AI enhances creativity, efficiency, and innovation across all engineering disciplines. Let's explore our semester-wide program. In Semester 3, we kick things off with an introduction to generative AI. You will dive into AI and machine learning fundamentals, laying a solid foundation for your journey ahead. This will help in creating a strong foundation for the coming courses. Semester 4 is all about exploring generative AI models through engaging case studies. You'll gain insights into real-world applications, from machine learning and deep learning to natural language processing, computer vision, and predictive analytics. In Semester 5, you will experience practical demonstrations of generative AI models and tools, equipping you with the technical skills needed to innovate. Semester 6 will offer students opportunities for internships in generative AI. Through the internship, students will have hands-on learning for everything they have learned throughout the course. In Semester 7, you will be building a capstone project based on what you have learned so far. You will be able to create functional generative AI applications, bringing your creative ideas to life. Here is the complete overview of the course for each semester with credits. Now let's talk about the objectives of offering this course. Our course is designed to provide you with the fundamental knowledge of artificial intelligence and machine learning, equip you with demanding industry skills that are essential in today's competitive job market, offer an opportunity to develop expertise in various AI tools and technologies, enable you to apply theoretical knowledge to hands-on interdisciplinary projects, solving real-world problems using generative AI models. Now, let's move on to the outcomes you can expect after completing the generative AI course. Upon completion, you will be familiar with the basic AI and ML pipeline, understanding the steps involved from data pre-processing to model deployment. Be able to apply over 25 AI tools to various business models, giving you a versatile skill set that's highly valued by employers. Have the ability to generate innovative ideas, content, and outputs that can drive industry applications and solutions. You can register for the MDM through ERP after commencement of second year. Learn more about this MDM by attending the induction program or by contacting us through details shown on the screen.